All right, one more video. One more thing I thought about. I thought I was done, but I want to give you guys every opportunity to make these as cool as you possibly can. So let's talk about GIFs or GIFs. Which one is it, Mr. Ford? GIF or GIF? GIF. Okay, let's talk about GIFs. I never knew, but now I know. I don't have any in the Halloween slide yet. I don't have any in my through the tunnel example. But if you wanted to throw some GIFs in your one pager, you can make them fit if they make sense to your overall the theme of your one pager. By all means, knock it out. So let's talk about how these work. So if you go to Google and you search, for example, we're keeping in the Halloween theme. I would search ghost GIF. You're going to have a lot pop up, but most of these are going to have backgrounds. And so just like the PNG images, you want to try to find ones that don't have any background. So you might refine your search by clicking transparent or going to settings, advanced search, and selecting transparent. We'll just do it this way for now. But when you select transparent, check it out. And some of these actually have a black background at first, but if you click on those, it goes to the checkerboard background, which lets you know that that one would work. So let's find one that we like. I like this one. Actually, no, that one doesn't work, does it? Because there's no checkerboard background, so I got to try again. I like this one. Now, with GIFs, excuse me, you don't copy and paste because if you do that, here's what happens. You just get an image. What you got to do is you right click and then you go to copy image address and then you go back to your slide. You go to insert image by URL and then you paste that URL and then you get a ghost that's wiggling and moving around. So that can be pretty cool. And then just like everything else, you want to add perspective, you hold control, arrow down, and that'll move that GIF backwards. If you hold the control and move the arrow up or click arrow up, it'll move that GIF forward in the presentation. So that's a cool option if you want to add GIFs to your slide. Don't overdo it. You don't want too many GIFs because obviously you don't want to distract from the actual content, your character traits and your theme and your universal ideas, and you don't want to have a bunch of these like things wiggling around and moving around and distracting everybody. But if you can fit, one or two in there and it makes sense and it's not distracting and it makes your slides look even cooler, by all means, knock yourselves out. But for now, I'm going to make our little ghost a little bit smaller, and I'm going to set him right here. Boom. Nice. So GIFs, have fun with it.